Hi there mga bilapit mga soulmates! Welcome to Renzo Tarot Channel. Andito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful letter reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi naabangan at sinusubaybay ng Renzo Tarot Channel. Mega shoutout po sa lahat nating soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo na lagi nanonood. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala at suporta. Ang ating pong reading and pagsasamahan isang bonus reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Capricorn. Okay? Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Sa ating mga soulmates, mga kababayan kung nakasubscribe at lagi nanonood na nasa Middle East, please, doble ingat po kayo. You're always on my prayers. Sama-sama po tayo mag-pray para at least tumigil na po itong kaguluhan at bumalik ng lahat sa normal. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po sa ating reading, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-subscribe, like, comment, and of course, don't forget to share. At kapag napanood niyo po ito sa ating TikTok account, ay huwag rin po kayo mahiyang mag-follow sa ating TikTok account, comment, i-repost niyo rin po. And of course, if you want to avail our personal reading, huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-direct message sa ating TikTok account, Renzo Taro 444. Okay? Sige, isang shuffle pa, Capricorn, at kunin na natin yung 10 baraha para sa iyong bonus reading. This is for you, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael, give me 10 cards for Capricorn. Maraming salamat po. Hindi po ako magsasawang magpasalamat po sa inyo sapagkat simula noon hanggang ngayon ay hindi niyo po ako iniiwan. Nakaka-overwhelming po ng inyong tiwala at suporta. Maraming salamat po, di ba? Lagi kong sinasabi na utang na loob ko po lahat sa inyong mga viewers at subscribers ko kung saan man makarating itong ating channel. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Last 3 cards please for Capricorn. Okay. So, Capricorn, kompleto na. Your 10 cards are now complete. And I know that you're so excited. Huwag natin patagalin natin. Lock na natin itong. Okay. So, Capricorn, for your opening card para sa iyong bonus reading, this is a very beautiful card because death card, this is not literally na death na mamamatay. So I'm telling you here, the energy, the vibe that I can feel here is something is about to end in your life. Ending, closure, so those, yung mga sitwasyon, ng mga toxic, mga problema na hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo, the universe will be making a way to end all of this. So mga pinoproblema mo, mga worries, mga takot, anxiety, sleepless nights, everything that bothers you, everything that keeps on worrying you, mga takot mo, lahat ay magtatapos na ito. So we have 9 cards here na nakataob pa. So I can feel that all of these cards will be positive. So napakagandang pambungad na baraha, Capricorn, for you. Death card means ending. Mga sitwasyon, mga relationship, mga old habits, and everything toxic and negative traits and situations that is not healthy and working for you anymore. Okay, Capricorn, tingnan natin. So, look at this second card, sorry. We have here the 4 of Wands. This is about celebration. May mga Capricorn daw na maaring I can feel her na parang mabubuntis this year or a new member, manganganak, a new member of the family. Also, may mga ikakasal, may proposal. And this also encompasses as a whole, not only a celebration about family, but also in all milestones in your life. For example, career, money, or whatsoever. So it's all about celebration here, Capricorn, that will be happening in your life this year or in the soonest time. So congratulations in advance. You deserve this celebration and you deserve to be happy after all those experiences, traumas, painful experiences that you've been through this past months and past years. Okay, you've been subjected to criticism, sinusgahan ka, ang daming mga pinag-usapan ka, ang daming nanira sa'yo, betrayals. But after all of this, with this death card, tapos na yon. So, alam natin kapag may natatapos, may bagong kapalit. And with this 4 of Wands is a signal or just signifies that you're going to celebrate in the soonest time, Capricorn. Okay? So, let's continue para sa yung pangatlong baraha. Look at this one. From 4 of Wands, here is the 3 of Wands. You need to face a new chapter of your life. Iiwan na, talikuran na yung mga bagay, mga takot, mga pangamba, pagdududa. So all of those negative thoughts, negative situations, unhealthy environment, unhealthy workplace, toxic friendship, toxic relationship. So face the new reality of your life. Naghahanap ka daw ngayon, itong gusto mong mangyari talaga, for your happiness, look at the very vibrant color yellow. So you want to be happy. So happiness and peace of mind ngayon talaga ang hinahanap mo. And mahahanap mo ito. Masusumbungan mo ito, Capricorn, with this new chapter that will be opening in your life. But kaakibat nito ay kailangan mong talikuran itong mga bagay na humihila sa'yo, okay? Actually, hindi na ito kumbaga healthy para sa iyo. It's like it doesn't contribute anymore for your growth, but still pinanghahawakan mo pa rin, you're still holding on with it. So this is the best time na talikuran na yung mga yan, and you need to face a new reality of your life, to face a new chapter of your life, which is filled with happiness, okay? Filled with contentment and abundance, okay? So Capricorn, ang gaganda natin mga baraha. So pang-apat mong baraha sa yung bonus reading is the Hanged Man. This is a flashback. Okay, no more stagnancy, di ba sinasabi ko sa'yo? Kasi andito yung death eh. So may matatapos na rin itong pagkatenga mo. Maybe there's a lot of confusions lately, medyo nalilito ka sa mga nangyayari, naguguluhan ka. Hindi mo alam kung alin ang tama, alin ang decision na gagawin ko, to the point na parang naging emotional ka, to the point na parang nakapagbitaw ka ng mga salita na hindi maganda, yung actions mo hindi mo na control. So all of these things will be over. So ito yon, hang moment. Hindi lang to pagkatenga sa financial. What I mean, it's like all aspects, you know? Parang pati pag ugali mo, parang hindi mo na makontrol, yung mga isip mo, mga takot, puno ka, nagkaka-anxiety ka na. So all of these things will be over. All of these things will be finished, will be closed by the universe. Tapos na ito, flashback na lang ito. And with this death card, so everything is something new, puro bago naman, so maaring mas magiging mahaba ng pasensya mo, mas magiging maunawain ka na, parang magiging malumanay ka na ngayon, Capricorn. So, it's like you're not going to react anymore with other people. So, you're not going to be affected with other people's opinion. So, this is a very good thing, Capricorn. Ipapatuloy mo yan. Para sa yung bonus reading, panglima mong bara is the Queen of Cups. So, agapay nito, Capricorn, ang ipagpatuloy. Or maybe there are some of you siguro na parang just go to the flow, bara-bara sa mga desisyon. So, baguhin mo na yan kasama dito sa panibagong chapter ng buhay mo na haharapin mo, ay samahan mo na rin ng pagiging matalino. I know Capricorn are very intelligent people also, but you need to think it 100 times before you make any decision, before you trust into people. So, kailangan mo talaga maging observant, kailangan mo munang pag-aralan ang lahat kasi mahirap na kapag mag-fail tayo, lalong-lalo kayo Capricorn, you're very emotional people. So, mabilis kayong, what is this, masaktan, mabilis kayong ma-burn out, mabilis kayong maapektuhan nyo. You cannot control what you're saying, the actions that you're doing. So, that's why, if you don't want that thing to happen, so if you don't want failure, so kailangan mo munang pag-isipang mabuti ang mga desisyon na gagawin, at kailangan mo munang you weigh it 100,000 times before jumping into it. Okay? Capricorn. So we have 5 cards left at the second row. Before we continue with this one, I would like to remind you again, kapag hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa ating channel, please do subscribe po and comment, like, and share. And of course, if you watch this on a TikTok account, Renzo444, please follow and send me a direct message if you want to avail a personal reading. Opo? So, pang-anim mong barahan, look at this one. Look how connected. Look how connected our cards. Ang katapat niya yung death card pagtatapos. Pagkatapos, may kapalit na bago. New beginning. May bagong Capricorn na sisibol. May bago kang mga plant of seeds of, happiness, of hope, of abundance that you're going to plant. So this Ace of Wands signifies that something new is about to open for you, whether you like it or not. This is what the universe has planned for you. This is what universe has prepared for you. Okay, Capricorn. So you need to face it. Ihanda mo ang sarili mo because darating to the soonest time and you will be so happy. You will be to the point that you will be celebrating. Okay? So, di ba? Nakita natin. 7 card mo, Capricorn. So, Hermit. So, Hermit card is about clarity. So, later on, you will realize why all of those things happen. Why all of that situation has ended. Bakit natapos yan? Kung bakit may mga nawala, may mga lumayo na tao. And it's because, that's sabi ko nga, for the big thing that the universe has prepared for you. With this Hermit card, expect that later on, may kakaroon na ng clarity. Maliliwanagan ka na, okay, kaya pala hindi nag-work ito, kaya pala natanggal to, kaya pala natalo, kaya pala nagsara, kaya pala naghiwalay. Kasi ganito. So, Okay, there's a light here. Your path will be lighted, yung dadaanan mo. So whatever path you are taking as of now, don't be afraid. If you think still there's still a darkness, the universe will be sending a light with this hermit card para maliwanagan ang daan mo, and you will be continue moving forward in your life. A life that is filled with happiness and abundance and prosperity, Capricorn. Tama ba? So, let's continue sa iyong bonus reading with your 8th card. So, Nine of Pentacles. So, Capricorn, tapusin na itong mga sleepless nights. Tanggalin na itong mga pagdududa, mga takot, mga iniisip sa gabi. There's a lot of things running on your mind. Ang dami daw bumabagabag sa isip at puso mo, Capricorn. So, talikuran na yan, tapusin na yan. So, harapin ang katotohanan. Gumawa ng aksyon, solusyonan kasi walang ibang makakatulong yun kundi ikaw mismo kung hindi ka kikilos. But the best thing here is you need to cast all of that fears, tanggalin yung mga takot, tanggalin yung mga, yun sabi ko, inhibitions, mga pagdududa, even your questioning your worth, your self-worth, to the point na parang tinatanong mo na kung saan ka ba nagkulang, saan ka ba nagkamali. So, kaya nababagabag, hindi ka nakakatulog ng maayos sa gabi. So, please help yourself, Capricorn. If you want a healthy mental health, if you want a healthy body, a sound, it's like a holistic kind of health. So, you need to start with having a healthy mindset. Okay? So, ang siya mong baraha, may sadness talaga dito. I can feel her betrayal talaga. What is this? Ang nangyari sa'yo. May mga taong tinalikuran ka, mga tinulungan mo nung panahon, pero ngayon, ikaw pa naging masama. That's why, dinidibdib mo talaga ito. Kinikimkim mo ito sa puso mo. Okay? But, believe me, Capricorn, if you continue to entertain that thought sa puso mo, hindi ka makaka-move forward. Ito yung hanged man, matitenga ka. You will be stuck in a situation wherein that also will be serving as a blockage para hindi mahaharangan niya yung mga manifestations and wishes and prayers mo. Okay, yes, of course. Masakit, mabitray. Masakit, maloko, masakit, traitor ng mga taong, lalo na minahal mo, ng mga taong kumbaga, tinulungan mo para bumangon at tinulungan mo para dinamitan mo, pinakain mo everything, but look what they did. But that's part of our life here in the universe, how the process of the universe works in this world na tinitira natin. So, human as you are, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo makaranas ng ganyan. But the most important thing here is how are we going to pick up the pieces and we build ourselves again and face the new life that will be opening for you. Okay? So, cheer up. Hindi madali ang lahat, but little by little, help yourself, Capricorn, to rebuild your life. A life, a kind of Capricorn na puno, cheerful, smart, okay, filled with wisdom, confident. So look at this one. 10th and last card mo para sa yung bonus card, Capricorn, is the Nine of Cups. There will be good news. There will be surprise blessings that will be knocking on your doors. Okay? So, congratulations in advance. Kapalit ito nitong mga frustrations, mga betrayals, mga stress lately na talagang sinuffer mo. So, Capricorn, expect unexpected blessing, expect surprises, good news, good result, whatever things that tinatrabaho mo or inaasikaso mo lately. So, if you're waiting for a result, if you're waiting a news about that, so expect a very good result. Okay? So, cheer up. uh, Build yourself again, Capricorn, and continue doing what you think is right and continue being good and helping others with having a good heart. Okay? So, I'm wishing you all the best in life, Capricorn. I hope and I pray na maraming nasa sign po ng Capricorn ang makapanood ito ngayon. Again, kapag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe. Please follow my TikTok account, Renzo Tara 444. Thank you so much sa inyong muling pagsama sa inyong lingkod. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita, maraming salamat mga Capricorn kong soulmates na minamahal. Mag-ingat kayo lagi. And God bless us all.